What if your fatigue isn't the root problem? What if your bloating, brain fog, or insomnia are just red flags from a deeper imbalance? In functional medicine, we don't chase symptoms. We use the functional medicine pyramid to work from the bottom up, restoring balance at the cellular level, where true healing begins. Conventional medicine often starts at the top, masking symptoms with medications. But if we don't heal the foundation, the body can't truly repair itself. We start with the gut, the gateway to immunity, nutrient absorption, and detox. If your gut isn't functioning, nothing else can thrive. Next, we open the body's drainage and detox pathways, clearing out the waste that blocks healing. This reduces inflammation and makes space for regeneration. At the cellular level, we energize the body's engines, the mitochondria, to repair damage, reduce oxidative stress, and bring vitality back to every organ and tissue. When we address the foundation, everything improves. Hormones rebalance, inflammation quiets, and the symptoms at the top, they fade away on their own. Foundational medicine isn't just about feeling better, it's about healing deeply, cell by cell. Start at the root, rebuild your foundation, and rise into the life your body was meant to live.